Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about comparison operators in PHP. PHP operators are building blocks that allow operations between values. Comparison operators examine the relationship between values and result in a logical value, true or false. Let's start by looking at the equality operator, which compares values and returns true if they are equal. In our first example, let's declare two variables with the same value. The first variable is $a with a value of 5. The second variable is $b, and it also gets the value 5. Now, let's use an if statement to check if the two values are equal. So, after the if, we provide the following statement, $a equals $b. The expected response, if the statement is true, is the variables are equal. Let's see what happens if the two values are not equal. As we can see, there is no displayed response because our statement is not true. Next, let's look at the inequality operator. The inequality operator returns true if the values are not equal. Again, let's declare two variables. The first one, $c, has a value of 5, and the second one, $d, has a value of 10. Our statement will be the variables are not equal. So, in our if statement, we use $c equals $d. Since the values of the variables are different, refreshing the browser gives us the expected response. Our third operator is strict equality. The strict equality operator checks not only the values but also the types. Start by declaring two variables with the same value but different types. The first variable, $e, has a value of 5. The second variable, $f, also has a value of 5, but its type is set to string. Our if statement will be $e equals $f. The expected response is the variables are strictly equal. As we can see, since the types are different, we don't get the expected response. Now, change the type from string to number, and upon refreshing the browser, we receive the expected response, as we made our statement true. The fourth operator is strict inequality. The strict inequality operator performs strict type and value checking. Again, let's declare two variables. The first one, $g, has a value of 5. The second one, $h, has a value of string 5. Our statement is, the variables are not strictly equal. So, in our if statement, we use $g equals $h. Since the type and value are different, refreshing the browser gives us the expected response. Finally, let's review the relational operators and create examples for each. The first relational operator is greater than . In the example, we declare two variables and create a statement. The first variable, $i, has a value of 10. The second variable, $j, has a value of 5. Our statement is $i$j. The expected response is I is greater than j. \I is greater than j. As we can see, upon refreshing the browser, we get the expected result. Next is the less than operator. Again, declare two variables. The first, $m, has a value of 5. The second, $n, has a value of 3. Our statement is $m$n. The expected response is m is less than n. Upon refreshing the browser, we get the expected result. Then change the value 5 to 1 to make the statement true. Now let's look at the greater than or equal to operators. The first variable is $o with a value of 5, and the second variable is $p with a value of 3. Our statement is $o equals $p, and the expected response is o is greater than or equal to p. Upon refreshing the browser, we receive the expected result. The last operator for today is less than or equal to . In this example, we have two variables. The first one, $q, has a value of 10, and the second one, $r, also has a value of 10. Our statement is $q equals $r, and the expected response is a is less than or equal to b. Upon refreshing the browser, we get the expected result. In tomorrow's video, we will learn about logical operators. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay informed about further useful PHP tutorials. Happy coding!